Here's the truth that nobody wants to tell you about using a laptop for day trading. You're about to discover why most traders are setting themselves up for failure before they even place their first trade. And it has everything to do with the laptop sitting right on their desk right now. So picture this scenario. You've just got funded with $50,000. You're ready to trade. You've studied charts for months. You've been backtesting strategies. You know exactly when to enter and exit your positions. But when that perfect setup appears and you place that first trade, your laptop takes 3 seconds to fill the order. And the price you get filled at is completely different from the price you expected. This price discrepancy is something called slippage. 3 seconds may not sound like much, but in trading, that's a difference between profit and pain. That delay could cost you hundreds or thousands of dollars because your machine, your laptop, couldn't keep up with the data flow and the speed of modern markets. The uncomfortable reality is that most laptops are engineered for everyday folks who check email and browse social media and stream videos. And they're designed to be thin, light, and energy efficient. The truth is that trading demands something completely different. Trading requires raw computational power, lightning-fast data processing, and instant execution capabilities that most portable computers simply cannot deliver. Think about what actually happens when you trade. Your platform is simultaneously receiving live price feeds from multiple exchanges. It's updating charts in real time, like spot on real time. It's calculating indicators. It's monitoring your positions, and it's executing those orders. And all of this happens while you're running your operating system, your antivirus software, maybe you're running a live trading room, you've got news feeds, and absolutely at least a dozen other background processes. This creates an enormous computational load that overwhelms underpowered machines. By the way, before we go any further, just make sure to grab my complete guide to laptops for traders. It's free, and I'll walk you through the exact specs and configurations you need to trade without lag or slippage. The link is in the description below the video. The heart of any computer is its processor, and here's where most laptops fall short dramatically. For smooth trading performance without delays or slippage, you need a processor with a benchmark score of at least 25,000. And that's just the bare minimum. And when I say slippage, I'm talking about the difference between the price you intended to trade at and the actual price you received when your order was filled. Poor computer performance directly correlates with terrible fill prices, which eats into your profits with every single trade. And unfortunately, the vast majority of laptops available today don't come close to meeting the performance threshold. Even expensive Ultrabooks and premium models usually prioritize battery life and portability over processing power. These machines might handle business applications perfectly well, but they buckle under the intense demands of active trading. And here's another problem that drives me crazy. Most low-priced laptops come equipped with the old-school spinning hard drives. These things are painfully slow by today's standards. You gotta remember, this is a 60-year-old technology. Every time your trading platform needs to access data or save information or update files, these old-school drives create bottlenecks that slow down your entire system. When markets are moving fast and the volatility spikes, these kinds of delays compound and can seriously impact your performance. Another big bottleneck is memory. Many laptops today ship with only 8 gigabytes of RAM, and these machines quickly become overwhelmed when running multiple trading applications simultaneously. If you're trading stocks, futures, and crypto across different platforms, and you're monitoring news feeds, maybe you're monitoring a live trading room, you're running analysis tools, if you don't have enough memory, it will bring your system to its knees. And let's talk about the user interface nightmare. Have you ever tried to close a losing position quickly using a touchpad? It's like trying to perform surgery while wearing mittens. The precision and speed you get with a proper mouse setup is absolutely essential for effectively trading. When you need to adjust stop losses, scale into positions, or exit trades rapidly, that touchpad becomes your worst enemy. And here's where things start to get interesting. Recent technological advances have finally made high-performance laptop trading possible, but only if you know exactly what to look for. The newest generation of mobile processors from Intel and AMD have finally achieved the computational power that serious traders require. There are 2 processors that actually deliver trading-grade performance. They are the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX benchmarks at over 57,000, which is more than double what you need for smooth trading. And the AMD Ryzen 9 9955HX scores around 58,400 and offers incredible multi-threading performance. These aren't your typical laptop processors. They're essentially desktop-class chips that have been adapted for mobile use. And here's a key tip most traders miss. Pair these processors with an NVIDIA RTX AI-ready graphics card. For example, the RTX 4060, the RTX 5060, or the 5070 series. These GPUs not only handle multi-monitor setups right out of a laptop with ease, but they will also future-proof your laptop for AI tools and the next generation of trading platforms. These new trading apps are starting to leverage machine learning for order flow, for chart analysis, and even automated strategies. Storage technology has also evolved dramatically. Modern laptops can now be equipped with an NVMe solid-state hard drive. And I don't mean to nerd out on you, but these drives are exponentially faster than traditional hard drives. These drives eliminate data access bottlenecks that plague those older systems, and they ensure that your trading platform responds instantly to your commands. The key is combining all of the high-end components I mentioned correctly. You need one of those powerful processors I mentioned earlier. You need an NVIDIA RTX graphics card that's AI-ready. You need maximum memory capacity. You need the fastest storage available to handle multiple monitors and complex charting displays. And when all these elements work together, you get a laptop that can actually keep pace with professional trading demands. But here's something that will frustrate the crap out of you. Even if you build the perfect laptop setup, I already mentioned it, you still need to address that human interface problem. That means investing in a proper external mouse. Not really a big deal. Maybe even an external keyboard, and definitely some external monitors if you're going to be in a location for more than a couple of hours. The built-in screens on even largest laptops just by themselves are inadequate for serious trading. Temperature management can also become critical with high-performance laptops. And these powerful processors generate heat. And when they generate a lot of heat, the processors will throttle themselves and can suddenly reduce performance right when you need it most. So don't set that laptop on your pillow where it's got no breathing room on the sides. Another huge deal haven't mentioned yet is network connectivity. It's crucial. Many laptops only offer Wi-Fi connectivity, but serious trading requires the stability and the speed of a wired Ethernet connection. Make sure any laptop you consider for trading includes an Ethernet capability. The bottom line is this: can you use a laptop for day trading? Yes, but only if you choose the right machine that has all the necessary components to succeed. A properly configured high-end laptop with the latest processors, NVIDIA graphics, maximum memory, fast storage, and the appropriate peripherals can absolutely handle professional trading workloads. However, for the same money you spend on a trading-capable laptop, you can build a more powerful desktop system that offers better performance, easier upgrades, way better cooling, greater reliability, and usually, at least through easy trading computers, a much better and longer warranty. We warranty our desktops for 5 years. The choice ultimately depends on whether you truly need the portability or if you're just trying to save desk space. If you decide to go the laptop route, don't cut corners on specifications. Trading is not the place to compromise on performance. Come on, guys, every millisecond matters, and every system slowdown is money out of your pocket. If you've ever had slippage, you know how infuriating it is. It triggers that fight or flight response. And what happens then? You wind up making a series of really bad decisions. For me, when my fight or flight gets triggered, I have a tendency to revenge trade. I want to get that money back, and I put trades in that I wouldn't normally trade, and then I spiral out of control. Fortunately, after 38 years of trading, I have that 99% under control. But be aware that that's something that happens to a lot of traders, and it could be the end of your trading. So, lastly, make sure you download my complete guide to laptops for traders using the link that's right below this video in the description. Also, if you're ready for the perfect laptop that's already optimized for trading, all the work is done, you don't have to do any research, check out the link in the description. I put one together that's currently available at a very special price. And finally, if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, will you please? And share it with other traders who need to hear this message. My name is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching, and may the trend be with you.